Hello, my name is Poonam.
My name is Indu, class 11th B.
Our school name is Girls Government Senior Secondary School NIT 3.
Let's start the introduction math kit.
Yes, many times the abstract idea in mathematics become a challenge for the learner to understand. Keeping this in view, NCRT has prepared a match gate for secondary classes.
This gate is prepared to facilitate the teacher and the learner to the perform mathematical activities on their own.
The items prepared in this kit are specifically designed and they are academically very useful. In the kit include various items.
Along with a manual for performing activities, the effective use of this mask it can surely enhance the teaching learning process in this classroom.
Now let us explore the items present in the kit which are placed in the different compartment. Look here, we have various items placed here. Start with the plastic strip provided in the kit. We have strip of type in with specified slot have been provided with facility in arranging these strips. We also have markings on the from 0 to 25. We also 0 to 2.5 in this kit. We are marking are from provided with the some flares and screw and flares with will help us in fixing these plastic strips. The desired angles or triangles. We insert the screw and fix them with the help of the flares in the likewise we can from our quadrilaters also in this manner. We also have provided with half protector. The normal protector is a classroom use geometry boxes. We have 0 to 180 degrees marked on them. This can be arranged on the we are having full protector. Also we have marking from 0 to 360 degrees. These can be fixed on this plastic strip and we can measure angle with the help of the protectors. With the help of the protector, the angle between the plastic strips this kit also has cutout for verify Pythagoras theorem. Look here. We can arrange this to demonstrate Pythagoras theorem in this manner, that is a square plus b square is equal to c square. We are having three equal squares and a right angles triangle to demonstrate the Pythagoras theorem. We can another set of the cutouts which are 5 in numbers. They can be used to verify the Pythagoras theorem. Look here. We can arrange them in this manner to verify the result of Pythagoras theorem. We also have a trigonometric circular board provided with is very interesting. Look here, we have got an x-axis and y-axis. It also has marking on the circular scale. This represent various degrees. We are also provided with a rotating needle with we can fix at the center in this manner. We can study about various trigonometrical relations. Look here. How do we do that? We have the marking on the circular scale, namely 5 degree, 10 degree, 15 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree and 45 degree, 90 degrees. We have all the degree marked on the circular scale. We also have marking on the x-axis and y-axis. We facilitate the measuring of various calculations.
Now we are also provide with circular cutouts of corrugated boards. Look here, we have this circular corrugated board divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have this into 6 parts. Here this is having 8 parts. Similarly, it has 12 parts and 16. This can be used to verify area of circle. We can also explain the cutouts of functions with the help of these circular cutouts. Now we have also provided some cutouts corrugated boards which are blue in color. We join this, we get a parallelogram. Next, various shapes can be explored, used. They can be used of explain the areas. Also can be have a parallelogram here with two congruent triangle T1 and T2. This also can be used to explain the properties of a parallelogram, also concept of congruency. Next, here we have another parallelogram made cutouts of 3 triangles, triangle A, triangle B and triangle C. With this, many properties of triangles also can be explored. Next, we also have the triangles here C, and if we have these cutouts A attached end, we get a parallelogram. This can be arranged and they can be explored. This is a trapezium, and if we attached this triangle to this it from a parallelogram, properties of parallelogram, triangle, trapezium all can be explored with the help of these corrugated sheets. Next, this is also made by a parallelogram. We also have a solid cube with a different shapes attached to it. See, here we have 6 pieces of a cube in which 4 pieces having different shape attached. In the first one, we have a hemisphere at shape curved out of this cube, which can be used to explain surface area and volume of hemisphere. Some way we have also have a cuboid, which is having a depreciation of a cuboid here, and we can explain the volume and surface area of the remaining cube after removing the cuboid. Similarly, one on the third basis, we have a cone attached to it. By removing, we can calculate the volume of the remaining cube. On the fourth basis, here is a cylinder which is removed. Cylinder portions surface area and the volume of the remaining cube. These items can be very innovatively used in the classroom to perform various mathematical activities. So use this item of the math skates and makes learning fun. Thank you.